How to reset sensitivity settings in PUBG Mobile. In order to reset your sensitivity settings in PUBG Mobile, open up PUBG Mobile and tap on the arrow icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Now from here, from the top right hand side, you can go to the option called Settings. And from Settings, on the right hand side from various options, look for the one that says Sensitivity and just tap on it. Now from sensitivity, if you have customized all of this sensitivity, what you want to do to reset is to set it to default, because the medium one is the default one. So if you set it to medium, it will automatically choose all of the everything by default by itself. So you don't have to do anything else, just set this to medium. From the top option bar, to revert your camera, ADS and gyroscope values to the original game defaults. And this way you can reset your sensitivity settings in PUBG Mobile. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.